Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I will be guiding you all how to optimize your PC and get a good performance. This optimization guide will include decreasing RAM usage, making a lot of storage in your PC and many more things. So let's get started. To reduce your high RAM usage, use MemReduct. Download link in description. It free us a lot of RAM. To show you all how it works, I will open the Task Manager too. As you can see, I have a real high usage of RAM. Now, after install, go to Files, then Settings and then tick every box in Memory Cleaning. Hit Clean Memory and as you can see, my memory just went down to 30. Now to clear the cache memory, run the MemReduct once again and see the result. Now, adjust the appearance of the windows. Press Windows key and type Adjust. Click on Adjust Appearance ADN Performance. Here, if you will choose for the best appearance, your PC may run slow, and if choose for the best performance, your UI will look ugly, so choose the options that I have chosen for balance between good UI and a better performance. Now, if you go to Task Manager and then to the Performance tab and select CPU, you will from how much time your PC hadn't shut down properly. I had 53 days in my old PC. To fix this, go to what closing the lid does. If you have the option of fast startup here, disable it and hit Save Changes. Now, whenever you will start your PC, it will start from zero. Now press Windows key and in type Power, click on Power Sleep and Battery Settings. Then go to Power Mode and change both the options to Best Performance. If you want battery backup when on battery, select Balanced for on battery. Now press Windows plus R and type msconfig. Then go to Boot tab and then Advanced Options. Tick No of processes and select the highest number available. The Go to Processes tab, then tick the option of Hide all Microsoft services and disable all the remaining services. Hit Apply and then OK. Now disable all the apps which start when you turn on your PC. Press Windows key and then type Startup, select the option on Startup Apps and disable every app here. Now, open Task Manager NAD, then go to Startup tab, and then again disable all apps there. Now, turn off all the background permissions for all the apps. Press Windows plus I, then go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and then one by one click on 3 dots of every app, and then go to Advanced Settings and change the background permission to Never. You can also move apps from local disk C to other drives to reduce occupied storage in C drive. Now change the browser settings. I will tell about Edge. Open Edge, and then click on three dots, scroll down for Settings and then go to System and Performance Settings. Then change the settings as I have done. Now change the download location. Keep any drive you want except C drive. Now make sure to keep storage sense on. Click on temp files and delete every file here. Then go to Storage and then Advanced and then select where new content is saved and change it to any drive you want except C drive. Now turn of extra notifications. Click on Windows key and then search for notifications. Select Setting off notification and turn of extra notifications here. Now, to make more storage in your PC, press Windows key and type Disk Cleanup and run it as administrator. Select C drive and run it. Got to more settings, clear restore points, and then go back to Cleanup tab and delete all trash here. Now press Windows plus R and type these following terms one by one. Temp, prefetch, %temp%. Delete all data in these folders. Skip files which are not deleting. Now press Windows key and type defrag, run defrag and optimize drive as administrator and optimize all internal drives. Do not optimize external drives. Delete all the antivirus in your PC. Instead, use this inbuilt one. Now, if you think you have a virus in computer, press Windows plus R and type MRT, run a full PC scan and it will find and fix virus. Always make sure to keep your computer up to date. Check import and optional updates regularly. Now, to fix corrupt system files in your PC, run cmd as administrator and type sfc/scanner. It will repair all corrupt files. Use Microsoft PC Manager. It will help you manage your PC storage, updates, and many more things. Download it from Microsoft Store. After download, open it and use it. It is a very simple app. Make sure to use its deep uninstall feature. It removes all the leftover. Anyways guys, I hope that all helped a lot. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and share with more PC users. Comment below any problem and I will help you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.